Hi guys, welcome to my channel Proficient Boy. I know you guys are thinking about my new look. Uh, it's just a new look. so, so today I'm going to tell you about myself. Right now I'm doing Become Honors from Seoul School of Open Learning, and on the part-time basis I also do an online selling on marketplace like Amazon. So today one of the most important document which is required to sell on Amazon, so we are going to talk about that, and that is GST. And one thing I also like to clarify you guys that I just started selling on Amazon like 3-4 months ago. So whatever I learned throughout this journey I will share with you guys, and you guys will share with me in the comment box so that we all can learn and grow. So today I'm going to share with you guys about GST, how GST works, what are the statutory compliances in GST, and after that we will talk about what are the important documents required, which will I make next video, otherwise video will be too long. And then after I will make a video on how to apply for GST, and after that I will make a video for what to do after you get your GSTIN number. So let's go to computer screen. So guys, we are on our uh, computer screen. So the topic is taxation for online sellers. Like, what are the statutory compliances in GST? Like, first, GST returns. GST, we will file GST return on monthly or quarterly basis. So on regular scheme, guys, in regular scheme there are two types of scheme, guys: regular scheme and composition scheme. Composition scheme is different from regular scheme, but as we are online seller, we will choose regular uh, scheme. So guys, like, for what are the returns need to be filed in GST returns in monthly and quarterly basis? So first, GSTR1 and GSTR 3B. GSTR1 is return where taxpayer need to report outward supplies made during the period. Till now, GST portal does not compute any late fees automatically. GST R1, guys, uh, all the sellers need to file, uh, uh, there is no late fees required for GSTR1, and GSTR 3B is also a mandatory return. GSTR 3B is return which contains details of outward or inward supply and GST liability shall be paid in GSTR 3B. So it is a return which contains outward or inward supplies and shall be paid, and the liability that should be paid in GSTR 3B. But it has late fees, like if you pay GSTR 3B after the due date, you will have to pay late fees like monthly basis. You have to file GST returns till like date 11, uh, and on quarterly basis is 13. So late fees is 50 rupees per day if you have any taxable liability, and rupees 20 if you are filing nil GST. So guys, now what is GST TCS return? TCS is charge. TCS, full form of TCS is, guys, tax collection at source. So what is TCS? TCS is charged 1% on taxable amount. So you will get input of this, like TCS return in GST. Online sellers need to for file TCS return monthly to claim TCS deducted by e-commerce operator. Like, guys, Amazon cuts 1% of taxable amount, so that you need to pay that taxable amount, and you will get off input of this taxable 1% amount. And the next is ITR filing for online sellers. So this is the return, guys, which is section 194O, which is with effect from 1st October 2020, e-commerce operator need to deduct TDS 1% also guys at the time of payment. It is not taxable amount guys, it is included like taxable amount, like if you are selling something at rupees 449 and your tax is included in that, so your TDS will be like 4.49 rupees, and your TCS, like you are paying 49 rupees as tax, so your taxable amount is like, just assumption guys, 400 rupees. So you will have to pay 1% for on 400 as TCS. So guys, you will get input of TDS on filing income tax, not in GST. You will not get the 1% input. In GST you will get the input of 1% in TDS. So guys, next is B2B purchase in GST, purchase from registered seller. Like guys, uh, I also purchase from non-registered seller, but this is not the practice we should do. We should always do purchase from registered seller, from the person which we can get GST. So before you purchase from anyone, just ask them, can they give GST bill, and can you get any get input every month so that you can file. Otherwise you will have to uh, uh, pay 18%, all 18% 18% or whatever your tax rate on product from the consumer which you receive. So trademark registration, uh, uh, so it is also one of the mandatory thing to get a trademark, because you know, otherwise anyone can latch or map your listing. So so you will have to fight on your own AC, as you will not get a trademark. So now the most important part guys, how GST work in case of online sellers. So let's suppose this is you guys, this is you, and you went to a supplier for purchasing, let's say the worth of rupees 100, and you pay 18% to the supplier. So this is your input, 18 rupees is your input as you pay GST input. uh, so you will get the credit of this later on. So like you pay 18%, so you ask the supplier that uh, they will pay their GST on time so that you can get your 18 rupees input. And now to a consumer guys, suppose a consumer bought your product. So you purchase that product in 100 rupees, and now you are selling that product in 200 rupees. So 18% of that 200 rupees is 36 rupees. Now customer paid you 236 rupees as in 200 rupees, uh, the cost of product that you sold, and plus 36 rupees, that is your GST you received from the consumer. So now guys, what is the amount of GST you have to pay? As you paid 18 rupees to the supplier, so so this is your input, and you get 36 rupees as output. So what is, how to calculate GST payable? Output minus input. So 36 rupees is your output and 18 rupees is your input. Now you will have to pay 18 rupees. So GST payable is 18 rupees. So this is very easy guys, don't need to confuse. uh, I hope this you understand, like 36 rupees is your output as you get, and you already paid 18 rupees, so now 36 minus 18, you just have to pay 18 rupees. uh, so I hope you guys all understand. And so the next video will be about what are the documents required for making GST, and after that we will learn how to apply for GST, and after that we will learn for what to do after you will you get your GSTIN number. So thank you, meet you in the next video.